Hello ladies, gentlemen and non-binary friends. Last week was the last video of the West Coast road trip and there is some things that we didn't show you. And I think as an audience I'm entitled to show you everything that happens, even if it's not pretty, it's not edited correctly, and I feel like you deserve to see that, to see the whole truth of what really happened during this road trip.
Regarde-moi, s'il te plaît. Fais un effort.
Non mais je suis en train de filmer, faites pas des bites quand je filme mes pieds. C'est ta mère qui a mis de la crème solaire.
Elle est pas chaude.
Elle a pas l'air. Oh fuck, elle est froide. Oh fuck, elle est froide. Have you seen it?
My butt.
Hey there, we are spending the day in Mining Lake and...
Alright everybody, obviously this was clickbait. I hope you enjoyed this little blooper session. It was fun to do. We really enjoyed this road trip. Obviously not everything was easy. There has been days where it was a bit harder. There has been days where we traveled all day. Wasn't as fun as just having nice pictures and stuff. But overall it was a really nice trip. I really enjoyed it and I hope you've liked it too. On every travel you have days where something unexpected happened, or you haven't planned, or it's gonna rain all day. Yeah, it happens, especially when you travel with people you've never traveled with before. Chris had different interests than us and he was in a better condition than I was. So yeah, there were days where I couldn't walk, but you know, he gave us this little extra push to do things. It was really fun to have him on board, and yeah, I wouldn't have done it without him. Obviously, there's things I want to go back and do. There's hikes that we didn't do and that I'd love to go. But that's for the next adventure, and I hope you'll be there for these too. I'll leave a link on the entire playlist in case you haven't seen the entire road trip, and I hope you'll be there for the next adventure. Feel free to subscribe and click the little bell button, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.